This is the shoulder joint. It is a ball and socket synovial joint. See? Seeing that it is a synovial joint, it needs to have a fibrous capsule and a synovial membrane. The fibrous capsule is visible over here. Synovial membrane is not visible, it is inside the fibrous capsule. Ha. This joint is stable, is between the glenoid fossa of the scapula and the head of the humerus, Sahi, which is hidden in this model. This joint is stabilized by many different factors such as the bony factors, the ligaments and the muscles. First the bony matters, the glenoid fossa, which is surrounded by the labrum. It provides this pit for the head of the humerus to be socketed into, which stabilizes joint. This joint is more mobile but it is less stable. See, hip joint is more stable but it is less mobile. Now for the muscles which stabilize the joint. There are 4 muscles, the rotator cuff muscles, which can be seen here. This is the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus, which comes from here. Yeah, which comes from here. This is infraspinatus. This is the subscapularis, comes here. وآخري teres minor, which is not shown here. Teres minor is shown. Nishte?
Teres minors.
This is major.
No, check the position.
Passana, آخري نشته.
Minor is supposed to be.
هذا بس دلك اللي عندنا راسي راس غريب. These muscles are called rotator cuff muscles.
Teres minor.
ديك نشته كمان.
It's supposed to be. I think this is teres minor.
This is
No,
infraspinatus.
it is below subscapularis.
The 3 of these muscles, the supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and the teres minor, are attached to the greater tuberosity over here. See that? The subscapularis is attached to the lesser tuberosity, which is slightly lateral over here. The tone of these muscles dictates the stability of the joint. Now for the ligaments. This is the acromioclavicular joint. Ligament. This is the transverse humeral ligament which stabilizes the bicipital long tendon. This is there are 2 tendons over here which do not give stability to the shoulder joint, but they give stability to the framework in general. This is the trapezoid ligament and this is the clinoid ligament. Collectively they are called coracoclavicular ligament. See that? This ligament, this is important. This is the coracoacromial ligament. See that? This gives it superior protection. This joint is weakest inferiorly because there are no ligaments and no muscles here. Our bursas. There are 2 bursas here. One is the subacromial bursa, which is located below the acromion. This bursa gives a sponge-like appearance to subscapularis. So the subscapularis does not get torn or it doesn't get affected by the rotation of the shoulder joint. And finally you have the subacromial, you have the subacromial subacromial. This is the subscapular bursa.
Which one?
Dio.
See.
Subscapular.
Yes.
Below this, this is actually a continuation of the synovial membrane of the joint. That is major.
Green.
No, that's synovial. That's synovial membrane.
sheath.
Humeral ligament, kana?
Transverse humeral ligament. Anteriorly. Anterior surface da dekha. Anteriorly, this has 3 ligaments. They are very weak ligaments. You have superior, middle, or inferior.
No.
3 ligaments. They are called the glenohumeral ligament. Like a glenoid fossa has 3, or the humerus, the lip of the bicipital group. Synovial sheath. Teres major.
Na green shade.
That tendon, you know. I told pectoralis major for the lucky.
Nothing much.
That was discussed.
I wasn't discussed.
Was
لا سبكروميال برسا ده كان
Subacromial?
سبعة تشو بس ده كان
آه.
نشان يور كيو